Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Skype. Then this page of app and file we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click on the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can give you errors on your phone, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You'll wait there 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.